choose carefully, 'cause I'm capable of anything and everything. Make me your Aphrodite, make me your one and only, but don't make me your enemy, your enemy, your enemy. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine, there's no going back. Mark my words, this love will make you levitate like a bird without a cage, but down to earth. If you choose to walk away, don't walk away. It's in the palm of your hand now, baby. It's a yes or a no, no maybe. So just be sure before you give it all to me, it all to me. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine, there's no going back. She's a beast, I call her karma. She'll eat your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead her on. Shawty heart is on steroids, 'cause her love is so strong. You might fall in love when you meet her. If you get the chance, you better keep her. She's sweet as pie, but if you break her heart, she'll turn cold as a freezer. Very talented, like a knight in shining armor. Be my sleeping beauty, I'ma put her in a coma. Shawty so bad, damn, I think I love her, I'm sprung and I don't care. She ride me like a roller coaster to my bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug, I was trying to hit it and quit it, but Shawty's so dope, I messed around and got addicted. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you